Hey everyone! If your Windows taskbar is taking up too much space, you can easily make it smaller. Let me show you how in this quick tutorial. First, go to the Start menu and then click on Settings and icon that looks like a gear. This will open Windows Settings. Now click Personalization and then click Taskbar at left pane. Under Taskbar Behaviors, toggle Use Small Taskbar Buttons to the on position. This will make all the icons and buttons on the taskbar smaller. Now, to really minimize the taskbar, right-click on it and select Taskbar Settings. Next, under Taskbar Alignment, choose from different positions. At the top or side of your screen, or the most common position is usually at the bottom. Making your taskbar smaller is great for freeing up space on your desktop. Just toggle the small button setting and reposition for a compact taskbar. Your icons and apps will shrink down to take up less room. Give it a try.